Hi, good day. I'm Paul Emmanuel Edra. So, for the question number one about a situation at work that showcases my work ethic and professionalism. First is attending work, being on time, completing deadlines, and keeping an eye on the process while keeping the final result in mind. Also, knowing and abiding by the company's rules and policies, so reporting infractions, dubious conduct, safety issues, or suspicious action, eliminating personal prejudice and judgment from interaction and decisions, accepting accountability for actions, and asking for assistance in trying circumstance. So, for the second question about the time I did not meet expectation for a client or a superior and what I did about it. So, in a fast-paced corporate environment, so I was assigned to a crucial project with a tight deadlines. So the project involved coordinating with multiple teams and stakeholders across different departments. Despite the challenges, I approached the task with a proactive and organized mindset. To begin, I thoroughly researched the project requirements and created a detailed project plan outlining key milestones and deadlines. I communicated transparently with all team members, setting clear expectation and ensuring everyone understood their roles. So I scheduled regular check-ins to monitor progress and address any issues promptly. As unexpected challenges arise, I remain calm and focused, finding creative solutions to keep the project on track. So I prioritize tasks efficiently, optimizing time management to meet deadlines without compromising quality. In instances where additional support was needed, I proactively sought assistance and delegated tasks effectively, fostering a collaborative and supportive team environment. So, throughout the project, I maintained open lines of communication with stakeholders, providing regular updates on progress, addressing concerns, and managing expectations. When faced with setbacks, I took responsibility, learned from the experience, and adjusted the project plan accordingly. In the end, the project was successfully meeting all objective and exceeding expectation. My dedication to professionalism, effective communication, and problem solving not only ensured the project's success but also strengthened the team's cohesion and garnered positive feedback from both colleagues and superiors. And lastly, if this season of my life had a mission, what would it be and what steps would I take to accomplish it? So my mission is achieving personal growth and well-being. So first is self-reflection. So take some time to reflect on my values, aspirations, and areas of my life where I seek improvement. Identify a specific aspect of personal growth that matters to me. So another is goal setting. So establish clear and achievable goals based on my reflections, break down larger objectives into smaller, manageable tasks to make progress more tangible. Another is prioritize well-being. So recognize the importance of physical and mental well-being in my journey, develop habits and routines that promote a healthy lifestyle, including regular exercise, sufficient sleep, and stress management. Another is continuous learning. Embrace a mindset of continuous learning and improvement. Identify areas where I can enhance my skills and knowledge, whether through formal education, workshops, or self-directed learning. And another is adaptability. So acknowledge that unexpected challenges may arise, so cultivate adaptability and resilience to navigate setbacks, learn from experiences, and adjust my approach as needed. And lastly, so celebrate achievements. Celebrate both small and significant achievements Along the way, acknowledging my progress will help maintain motivation and reinforce positive behaviors. That's all. Thank you.